a refresher workshop in writing, or do they need a stronger foundation in terms of the writing they have to do? Do you have a team with varying writing skills? Does your team write a variety of documents? If any of those are the case, you may be interested in our customized workshop, Strategies for a Strong Foundation in Writing. This workshop, as I mentioned, is completely customized to fit the needs of your particular team. We cover such topics as knowing who you're writing for, why you need to write for today's readers, which are skimmers, as we all know, how to organize the document, how to use language effectively. And those are just some of the topics, again, all based on the needs of your particular team. Want more info? Give us a call, 877-249-7483, or email us at info@hurleywrite.com. My name is Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated, and we look forward to chatting with you. Thanks so much.